Superintendent Asian is the Attorney General's witness in a trial in which Ms. Huang is accused of engaging in illegal mining in the Ashanti region. He continued with his testimony on Tuesday. He had told the court his investigations into her activities revealed she had used a forged marriage certificate and a passport to obtain a residence permit. He also told the court the accused person gave investigators 2 statements. These statements were tendered into evidence. Mr. Date asked whether the investigators had the assistance of an interpreter. Superintendent Asian explained that was not necessary because she spoke Twi and English fluently.
I had a one-on-one interaction with the accused and we spoke in English. When she honored the invitation during the interview, we spoke in English and she responded in English. And my lord, she was very fluent in English. She even speaks fluent Twi. So my lord, at the point we were taking the statement, she didn't give us any indication that she needed an interpreter. And everything she understood it before appending her signature.
He was then questioned on whether any independent evidence existed backing the allegations of her illegal mining. Superintendent Asian said other Chinese nationals arrested at the site had indicated they were working on her behalf. He also said the accused person had equally asked the whereabouts of her employees and provided their passports as well. Investigators are also said to have engaged a mining company she had claimed had rented some mining equipment from her. The witness said they rather discovered that Aisha Huang's mother was a director of the mining company that had leased a portion of the concession to her for mining.
It is true that it took the service 3 years. You bear with me that depending on the level of the case, investigations can take an hour, days, years, or decades for crime to be detected. Even before the arrival of our Obuasi team, the accused surfaced to inquire whether her employees who she had sent to Bipotintin had arrived. When we realized they were not in, she left. When I interviewed the intercepted employees, their leader, Gao Jin Chen, who could speak broken English, he told me the accused sent them to mine and that their passports were with her.
Aisha Huang is said to have failed to pay for the concession. The case is back in court on Wednesday.